Yes, yes, yes. Look at this. Oh, that one stayed too long. Oh my goodness. That's what I don't know. These small ones, are they safe to be eaten? I gotta use my now I have to use something to dig it. These tiny ones, I'm gonna plant them back over, I think. Look at this. Oh. This one is deep down. Okay, I'm gonna harvest them and I'll stop this video shortly. Hello, hello, hello. Turning over my soil and I'm still finding potatoes, sweet potato. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. Look at this one. I accidentally cut that one. Look, more potato. And I'm sure there's still more there. I'm weeding, turning over the soil, and I'm finding more potatoes. So I think I gotta plant some more potato because I reaped a lot of potato, sweet potato. Oh wow, this is amazing. I love it. I love it. Come join me. Yay, plant our own food. Thanks for watching.